Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 20th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro-US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So on the Euro dollar monthly, I still think this looks like an uptrend, probably going to eventually end up looking something like that. I still think it's eventually going to go up and take out these highs before we do make another attempt to continue down. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, especially looking at the dollar indexes, I do think this is a 1. I had this labeled as like an A, B, C, D, E, but I could possibly label that a few different ways. I think eventually we are going to finish this wave 2 and go up and make a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5, just like I was showing on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, this is where you can really start to see the low highs that make up this downtrend. We have been going up over the last few trading days, but I mean, it still looks like it possibly could go down, and it possibly could even go down to one of these lower Fibonacci levels. We have no breakup structure yet telling me that the trend is over, so I'm still pretty bearish. But we do have FOMC federal funds rate for the US dollar today, and that very easily could cause a structure break and a change in direction. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, it still looks like we have already an ABC correction. If that is an ABC correction, then this will make a lower high and it will go down again. It does seem pretty likely to me that prior to the news today, it could possibly go down and either retest this low or maybe even keep going down, because for me, there's no confirmation that the trend is over until I get a break of structure to the upside, which has definitely not happened yet. So let's keep going down to that 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, to me, it looks like an uptrend right here. It looks like a correction, and then this is more of a three-way pattern. But it definitely looks like it made what looks like a corrective pattern right up to the 61.8 impulsive down. It looks to me like this is possibly 3 waves up, and it very easily could just keep on trending down. So like I said, either prior to the news or at the news, I think that we're going to make a move down, and then we're either going to have a spike reversal and go up, or possibly it will just keep on trending down. Now, I will be live streaming on YouTube today for the news, so definitely make sure to stop in for that, because we are definitely going to have to reevaluate these patterns prior to the news to get a better idea of what's going to happen at the news today. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.